It all began with a dream. Not just any dream, but a vivid memory from childhood, the blissful feeling of soaring on a tree swing. This dream, coupled with a yearning for nature's embrace, became the driving force behind our project, a house nestled amongst the woods. Finding the perfect plot was paramount. We scoured the landscape, searching for a place where the existing trees weren't just tolerated, but celebrated. Finally, we stumbled upon it, a piece of land cradled by a mature forest, with a sparkling lake whispering secrets in the distance. The house itself sprouted organically from the land. We designed it with minimal disruption in mind, adapting the layout to respect the topography and existing trees. Walls of glass became our windows to the verdant world, blurring the lines between inside and outside. Light danced freely throughout the space, while Cumaru wood and stone bricks echoed the natural hues of the forest. The constant, dappled shade provided by the towering trees became a welcome feature, a cool sanctuary from the summer sun. Function met desire within these walls. Two suites offered comfortable havens, with the master suite boasting a private garden, a secret whisper of nature just for us. The living room and kitchen transcended their usual roles, seamlessly merging with the external patio. This open space, bathed in the warm glow of the outdoors, became the heart of our family life. Here, laughter mingled with the rustle of leaves, and conversations flowed as freely as the sunlight filtering through the trees. A small toilet and a hidden pantry completed the essential elements. The final touch came later, a sparkling jewel nestled amongst the shade. The pool area, meticulously positioned to capture the sun's rays, was built in a second phase. It was envisioned as a place for family gatherings, a place where children could splash and play, echoing the joyful spirit of that long-ago childhood dream. But the true essence of this house lay beyond its architectural brilliance. It was a haven of curated comfort, where personal treasures found their voice. Vintage pieces by the renowned designer Sergio Rodriguez added a touch of timeless elegance, while a residence collection of exquisite Murano glass brought bursts of vibrant color to the serene backdrop. In this house, where nature reigned supreme, we had built not just a dwelling, but a sanctuary for the soul, a place where dreams of childhood swings and a life intertwined with nature beautifully intertwined. This house is a testament to the power of following your dreams, no matter how big or small. It's a place where nature and family come together, a constant reminder of the simple joys in life. I hope this video has inspired you to create your own haven, a space that reflects your passions and brings you peace. Thanks for watching.